here's something to consider before going solar. Tax credits are very important to understand and for that information to be disclosed to you. With every purchase of a solar panel system, there's a 30% federal tax credit, which is good until 2032. Not everybody gets the federal tax credit, and it's based on your tax liability. Think of it as a rebate, but with the contingency that you have a tax liability, and is that going to be dispensed within 1 year or within the 5-year period? This is important to know because there's a lot of solar finance companies that require that you get all of the federal tax credit within 12 or even 18 months from the point of loan origination. So knowing how this tax credit will impact you and how it will work will save you a lot of headache, heartache, and won't put you in a financial pinch.